Okay, this video is going to show you how inventory works in the new system. Alright, we're on our home page. We've started our day, so let's go check inventory. Here's your inventory screen. Now you can do an inventory list to see what's on the system says on your truck right now. There's nothing on this handheld, so let's go ahead and do a load request. The flow is you do a load request, print off that request, then you do a load transfer. The load transfer will actually put it into inventory. The load request doesn't do anything but queue it up. So let's do load request. And we're going to keep it simple. Let's just let's load some pizzas on here. So let's do select our pizzas. Let's say we want to add 15 cases. Let's hit next. Let's do back. That'll take you back to the list. Let's just do pizzas. Let's just keep it simple. So we'll print. Are you sure? Let's actually save the request into the handheld and then print out a copy to pull the inventory from or to turn into the warehouse so they can pull the inventory. Okay, that is now printed. It's going to ask you to hit print OK. You can say no if you need another copy, but let's go ahead and say yes. And now let's go ahead and do the load transfer. This could happen the next day or it could happen back to back. So let's go ahead and do load request. There's the 270. We're given the ability here to say, for instance, if you asked for 270 and they didn't quite have it, you can change it to what they did have. So let's go ahead and assume they were a case short for whatever reason. And let's say we needed to add something to the order. Say we didn't request everything we needed. So instead of having to do a separate request, let's go ahead and add. Maybe it's something that we talked to the warehouse and gave them a verbal to go ahead and pull inventory. So let's do an add. If we know the item number, we can put it here. So let's go ahead and put the item number here. Let's do 1200. Is that a good item number? Yep, Just Right Spice. Let's go ahead and get a case of those. So now, if you want to accept this load, the 252 of the original and 12 pieces of the Just Right Spice, hit accept. And it's saving this to your inventory and also printing out a copy. If you need more than one copy, one for yourself and one for the warehouse, when it comes back and it asks you if you printed okay, even if it did, you could say no to get you an extra copy. But let's go ahead and say yes. We only need the one copy for this demo. Now we're back. If you want to look at your inventory list, there's what we just did our transfer. So again, in review, inventory list shows you what's on the truck at that time. Load request is actually what you can turn into the warehouse or to pull your inventory from. Load transfer is where you can tweak that load request or add items to it and actually commit it to inventory. You can return home, and that's it for this video.